I saw Auntie Sylvia out there. Auntie Sylvia, you gonna go? Auntie Sylvia, come. Put your hands together when Auntie come and do a hula hoop. We're always honored to share the music and all the compositions that we do and cover. And I think it's a good thing when you can sit back and enjoy the music. And even better when there's some visual effects. Here comes Auntie Sylvia. This year makes 10 years that we've been playing at Kanikapila Grill, Outrigger Reef, and since the very beginning she's been a part of the Ohana, part of the what you get if you come in and hang out at Kanikapila Grill. So she's been gracing the stage with every band and musician. The dance down there, you can come up here if you want. Yeah.
Well, you cannot claim this one, huh?
Come in the spotlight. There you go. Little hula jam over there.